What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with Braelyn Davis, President and CEO of Planet Based Foods. Nice to have you back. Braelyn, how are you doing today?
It's always a pleasure. Thanks so much, Aaron.
Yes, of course. So it's nice to have you back on the channel. Can we start with some updates on the company since your initial IPO?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've been hard at work developing the additional product lines, and we'll be seeping those out to the public as they come. But right now, we do have an announcement around the taquito line. We just finalized our R&D process on that. We'll be showcasing those at Expo West, as well as the Fancy Food Show in Vegas. So really excited about that and showcasing the new products.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'd love to try that one day for sure. So the company just announced an exciting partnership as well with Vail Resorts. Can you tell us more about this and why it's so important?
Yeah, we're selling through quite a few of their locations in Copper Mountain. So it's been a great relationship, and they've been ordering quite a bit of product and reordering. So that's a great feeling, because it's going into about 11 locations, I think now, maybe 12. So that's all moving along nicely, and it's getting us plenty of exposure in our target demographics, which is in Colorado, where our facility is producing our products. So that's, really thrilled about that.
No, it's great to see you guys executing. So the company announced the appointment of former Senior VP of Sales for Fiji Water, James Harris, as Vice President of Business Development and Operations. What does this mean for the company?
Yeah, well, we have a seasoned vet in the driving seat when it comes to logistics, operations, and sales channels. So he's been instrumental in developing our brokerage networks and distribution channels, both in the United States as well as setting things up outside of the United States. So he's going to be an intricate part moving forward, and he's a great member of the team, and we're really, really happy to have him on board. Definitely.
Awesome. So what's the one thing you're most excited about for Planet Based Foods in the near term?
It comes back to sharing the additional IP that we have around products. We have new products coming out, and I think these new products will really showcase the viability of hemp. And they also use our hemp meat ingredients in different applications. So if you're not necessarily a burger person, we're going to be providing you a alternative that fits your palate. And again, really excited to provide that with options so people can approach hemp a little bit more easily, a little bit more accessible.
So while we're on the topic of hemp, for a new viewer or something like that, can you tell us a little bit more about why you guys decided to focus on hemp versus, the other products and things that you can use out there for a vegan company?
Absolutely. Well, it took over 10 years of R&D and kind of researching what the most viable solution for proteins moving forward would be from a plant-based meat alternative. And we came to hemp not only because it has superfood properties, providing full spectrum omega fatty acids, high protein, fiber, but also, amazing complex carbohydrates, all in one package. But, even more importantly, hemp is a sustainable protein for the future, and it allows us to look at our climate change and the issues that are facing the world 10, 15, 20 years out. And we actually see a protein source that can deal with climate change and drought, and that's hemp. So we're a forward-focused company with forward-focused solutions, and all that stems from our key ingredient, which is hemp, which is a forward-focused solution for proteins.
Yeah, and I think a lot of millennial investors are focused on companies that are conscious about that. So I think that's great that you guys are thinking about that. So where should investors go for more information about plant-based foods?
Absolutely. Yeah. Visit us on our website, www.planetbasedfoods.com. We have an investor page set up as well, so feel free to browse that. Should have all the information you need.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Braelyn, and we'll definitely be having you back on for more updates as you guys just IPO'd, and I'm sure there's lots of news to come.
Great. Thanks so much, Aaron. Appreciate it.
If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.